No matter where they live, plants need some of the same things that animals need to stay alive. Think of the things you need to live.
We need water to drink.
Like us, plants need water. What do you think will happen if plants don't get enough water? Here's a way to find out. Get two plants that are the same kind. Both plants should be healthy and as much alike as possible. Water one plant every couple of days, but don't give any water to the other. Then, after about a week or so, compare the two plants.
The plant that got water looks all right. The plant that didn't get water looks dry and sick.
If plants don't get enough water, they will begin to wilt. You'll see if a plant is wilting because its leaves begin to droop. If it gets a little bit more water, then it can revive and come back to life. But sometimes if it's lost too much of its water, it will die.
All plants need water, but some plants, like these cactus plants, live where it may not rain for months at a time. But a cactus has special features that help it survive.
Whenever it rains, the cactus takes up as much water as it can through its roots and carries it up into its trunk, where it stores it for a very long time. And if there has been no rain all summer long, that water is there inside the trunk of the cactus and can be used by the plant to continue growing.
Besides water, think of something else you need to live.
We need food.
Food gives us energy. We need this energy to move, to think, to be alive. Plants also need energy, but most plants get their energy from somewhere else.
From the sun.
Plants can trap the energy of sunlight, just like we get energy from eating food. How important is light for plants? Here's another experiment you can do to find out.
I got two plants that are the same kind. I left one in the window where it could get lots of light, but I left the other one in the closet where it couldn't get any light. This time I gave both plants the same amount of water.
What do you think will happen to the plants after a couple of weeks? Your teacher can pause the video here to let you answer this question. Otherwise, the program will resume in 10 seconds. What happened to the two plants? Let's take a look.
The plant that got water and light looks healthy. The plant that got water but no light looks sick. It looks like it's about to die.
Plants need the energy of light in order to make their own food. To make their own food, plants also need water, which usually comes from the soil, and a gas in the air called carbon dioxide. Using these three things, plants make a kind of sugar they need to grow and live. This process is called photosynthesis. In addition to food, as part of photosynthesis, plants also make a gas called oxygen. The oxygen we need to live comes from plants. Every time we take a breath, we breathe in oxygen made by plants.